Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be making mint chutney, or also known as pudina chutney. So for this, I've gotten here one bunch of mint or pudina. I've gotten like 5-6 pieces of coconut, 3 small onions, or also known as shallots. I've got one piece of tamarind, 2 piece of garlic, 1 green chili, and 1 small piece of ginger that I've cut up. Alright, so to start the process, I put in the ginger, the green chili, the coconut, and the piece of tamarind into a mixer. And now I'm gonna blend this and make it into a paste. And then after that, I'm gonna be transferring the paste into a bigger one so we can add the mint leaves. So right now I've blended it, and I've added in about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but you can add in salt according to your own taste. And now I'm gonna add in the pudina and blend it well. Alright, so now I've made the ingredients into a paste, and I've transferred it to a bowl now. And at this point we're going to add some mustard seeds and red chili and fry them and put it on here. So let's get to that part. So I've now kept a pan and it's now heated. I've added in about 2 teaspoons of oil, and now I'm going to add in about 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and I'm going to add in 2 small pieces of dry red chili. And then we're going to wait for this to splutter. Alright, so right now the mustards are spluttering. I'm going to add in the pasted mixture. So I'm going to give it a good mix. Alright, so I've now transferred it from the pan into the bowl, and it is done. So this will go good with any kind of rice, for example curd rice, plain rice. It'll also go good with dosha, but that's your wish. And thank you for watching this video. Please try this out and let me know how it goes in the comments, and please subscribe and like. Thank you. Have a nice day.